Goto kasi this is my comfort food and I just wanna share the happiness na nakukuha ko dun sa bowl of goto. Hi, I'm Santa Santiago, co-owner of Goto Believe. Ever since I am a gotoholic and goto for me is a comfort food. Simple lang siya, it's a recovery food, comfort food, yes. Pero bakit hindi namin siya gawing epic? So, I wanted to create magic dun sa bowl of goto. I want something nakakamatay pag tinignan mo. Kaya niisip ko, adding the skewers na nakikita niyo sa street, na ihawan, like chicharong balaklak, bitukan ng baboy, isaw ng manok, adidas, the chicken feet, chicken liver, Xbox, tenga, whether grilled or deep fried, nagko-complement yung taste ng goto tsaka ng ihaw. Here in Goto Believe, we have two types of Oh My Goto. One is the OMG Wet and OMG Dry. It's the dry goto. Fried rice siya, Hainanese rice, pero lasang goto. Yung stock na ginamit namin sa paggawa ng wet goto, yun yung ginamit namin pag-cook ng rice nung goto fried rice namin. We fry fried rice with ginger, garlic, spring onions, etc. Pag kinain mo siya, wala siyang sabaw, wala siya ng mga lamang loob, pero lasang goto pa rin siya. That's why here in Goto Believe, binibigyan namin yung customer na magkaroon ng freedom to customize their own bowl of goto. Bahala sila kung gusto nilang i-overload, or simple goto lang, or goto fried rice, plain lugaw, bahala sila. Make it epic.